Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore how to connect MailerLite to BigCommerce. If you're new to MailerLite, you can find the official free trial link in the description below. For those who already have an account, simply log in and follow along. First, you'll need to create a Zapier account. This tool helps establish the connection between MailerLite and BigCommerce. Once you're on the Zapier dashboard, click Create, then select Zaps. If you need assistance, Zapier's built-in Copilot feature can guide you through the process. Next, choose both MailerLite and BigCommerce from the available app options. On the right side of the screen, fill in the required details to connect the two platforms. To link your MailerLite account, click Sign In and log into your MailerLite dashboard. Repeat this step to log into your BigCommerce account. Make sure to provide your store hash and access token details so Zapier can connect both accounts properly. After both platforms are connected, configure your settings according to your needs. Once everything looks correct, click on Publish, and you're done. You've successfully connected MailerLite to BigCommerce, allowing your email marketing and e-commerce platform to work seamlessly together. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you set everything up smoothly.